Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, whatever time of the day it is in your neighborhood. Welcome to Essential Piece of Life. My name is LaSonya. This is day 3 of Valentine's Day sales. Today was a wet day, but it was still a prosperous day because I have been in the same spot, and this community has shown me so much support. So much support, you guys. I mean, shout out to Royal Highlands. You guys are awesome. So we've been here in the same spot for the past couple of days. Thursday, Friday. Today is day 3. On Saturday it's wet, but I still had people stopping by and showing love today. I had a prosperous day for the number of hours that we've been here, and now it's about an 80% chance of rain coming. And although we have walls, family, we have walls, it's been showering all day. But what's coming next, what we expect to come next, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you day 3 of what the setup looked like. And then those of you who like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I mean, it wouldn't be a video without saying those things, right? Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. You guys rock. All my old subscribers for coming back, to see what's up with LaSonya and Essential Piece of Life. I really do appreciate you. So stay tuned, you guys. Let me show you what our setup looked like today, and we'll be back out here tomorrow, and we'll be back out here the next day. That's the plan. That's the plan. But things don't always happen as we planned them to be, okay? But I'll let you know, what the end result will be. You guys have a great day, and thank you so much for tuning in.